Just getting ready to finish the cladding around the office, so the last little bit to do. We're going to have a look at some motorhomes. So we've got an absolutely lovely 2020 Elddis Majestic. We've got a little Sunlight, Dethleffs Sunlight actually, and a little Chausson, and we've got another one just to sneak in there as well. So we're going to be comparing these motorhomes and seeing what they're like, what the differences are, what the difference you get for your money. So we're going to start at about 34,995 right up to £60,000. So what do we get for our money? Got an array of sort of 2008, a 2016, a 2019 and a 2020. So it'd be nice to have a look at the different layouts, different comparisons, and seeing what you would pick, and let us know in the comments. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and drop us a comment. So we're starting off with a little 2008 Stargazer. Now this is under 3.5 tonne. It's just a 2-berth, so we've only got 2 travelling seat belts and actually 2 beds in here. We've got about 43,000 miles. We're 6.4 metres overall and a 2.23 wide on this one. 34,995. So really nice little motorhome. It's got the tow bar on there, reversing camera, and this has got quite a few upgrades as well. So we've got our big straight long seat, so you can use this as 2 single beds. You've not got to actually make it up as a double, but I'll show you how to make it up in a double in a minute. The actual kitchen is at the back of this one, and we've got this little side unit here that we can use for cooking, preparation, etc. We've got the fridge in there, and then our washroom is in this corner. Now the actual complete unit on that side there folds across, meets up with our little shower screen, so it makes a proper separate shower and toilet, so it doesn't get all of the floor wet and all the toilet wet. It is a proper separate shower. And then just hidden in here, once you've got dressed, or once you've had your shower, you can get dressed and just get your stuff out of the little wardrobe. So really cool little features and thoughts on this one. We've got the Truma blown air heating that works on the gas and the electric. We've got our hot water again, believe that works on the gas and the electric. And then up at the front we've got the click and go sort of half automatic, so once you're actually driving and you're going along, you can drop it in so that you've not got to change gear, and that's on that click and go. So it turns it a bit more into an automatic, and you've not got to use the clutch then, so for motorways, stop starts, etc. it's quite handy. And then this has had a upgraded Pioneer head unit in this one, and all the reversing camera and everything comes through that. It's got seats on, seat covers on at the minute, so both of those will spin round. As I say, I'll show you how the bed makes. In the little cubby at the side here, we've got a TV, a little sound bar up above. So it's been really well thought out, this. The beds again make up really easily, so these just literally pull out from either side, and then our back cushions go into the middle, and it makes an absolutely enormous, absolutely huge big double bed. So absolutely loads of space. It's just 3 gas rings and an electric ring on the oven, hob and grill. So really nice 2-berth. So if you're just after a 2-berth, nothing too big, under the 3.5 tonne, this works really well. Moving it up a gear now, so we have got a really sort of posh 2-berth. It will sleep 4, but it is a posh 2-berth. It's 2016, it's the Dethleffs Sunlight T64, 17,000 miles, so it's not done a lot at all, but we're going up quite a bit. We're sort of £43,000 under that 3.5 again. Not too bad. It's 6.83, so it's not too big again. External 230-volt sockets. We've got the external barbecue, our toilet at the back, our 230 volt in, so this is where we'll plug our electrics in, and then our gas locker. We have got a little storage locker that goes underneath the bed, so I'll show you that from inside of the motorhome. And then we've got our front seating, so this can make up into a double bed, so this table will drop onto that little bar at the bottom there, and we can then move our cushions around and make a smaller little double bed. So not huge, but it's doable. We've got the proper travelling seat belt, so for grandkids etc it works really well. And then coming to the front, we've got obviously the newer dash on this, so slightly upgraded. We've got the aircon. It is the automatic, so the transmission on this is the automatic transmission, which I've got a feeling I'd put on one of the videos before that it got a manual, so I've messed up a little bit there. Upgraded head unit again, so it's the Kenwood. Got the reversing camera, so that comes through the little screen on here, and then obviously these will spin round again like sort of our captain sort of chairs, so that if you have got 4 of you around this seating area, you can just spin those driver's seats around, and there's loads of space and room. Nice big sunlight in that front window as well, lets more light through, and then lovely cupboards all the way through. A few more roof lights in the top, and then obviously having that fixed bed works really well, not having to make up things, putting the seats up and down and all the rest of it. So really nice having a proper fixed bed. 3 gas rings, so we've got 3 gas rings on there. We've then got little hand basin for the sink, and then a combined oven and grill. It doesn't look like it's ever been used, that, does it? That's lovely. Loads of storage then, as I say, underneath of the bed. And then the nice thing is that little garage door from the back comes into this area here, so it gives you a load more storage from outside, and it's just nice having that accessibility. Lose a bit of the storage at the front here because we've got the boiler and everything underneath of here, so we do lose a little bit of storage. But I think there's enough there. 3-way fridge, so again, nice 3-way fridge, and we've got our freeze compartment up there. Our little controls just up above the door, and then we've got a nice wardrobe. So again, absolutely loads of hanging space in there. We've got our trip switches etc for the mains electric, and then our washroom with separate shower and toilet, proper separate shower and toilet again, so you're not going to get the toilet wet if you're using that shower. And again, a little bit of storage in there as well. So a really nice fixed bed motorhome. Again, let me know in the comments what you're thinking to this so far, and out of the 2, which one would you pick? Right, we're moving up in the world again. So this is the 2019. Again, 3.5 tonne, so we're good on the weight. So you've not got to take any extra licences or anything for this. We're all good under that 3.5 tonne, so anyone can drive. We've got about 8,000 miles, so it's not done anything. No miles at all. Obviously it is quite new, and then we're on that slightly bigger engine, so it's the 2.3 and it's the 150. It's the Chausson 727GA, and then we've got our garage at the back, which again we'll have a look into in a minute. And then coming inside, we've got this lovely lounge. Now that's table will drop down and we can make that into a little bed at the front, but I'm going to show you something special in a minute. We've got our little side seating, so very similar to the one that we just looked at in before. Again, slightly newer cab on here. We have got the manual, so this is the manual transmission. We've got the upgraded head unit again, we've got the reverse camera, we have got the aircon. So everything that we're going to need, our drivers and passenger seats will both spin round, and we have got those seat belts as well, so if you want to take people away. But obviously it is just a bit of a nightmare sometimes having to make that front bed up, so we've got something for you. We've get some lights on as well. Now you watch this. So we've got a little button here, and then when I press that button, what is actually happening is our bed is coming down. So if we have got people coming with us, instead of having to make that bed up at the front, look at that, we can just drop that bed down. We've got a proper mattress, no mucking about with all the table and everything at the front. Got a little ladder that clips onto there to get in and out of the bed as well, so that works really well. We've got the 3 burners on the, we've got a towel to stop it rattling as we're driving along. Two gas rings actually, sorry. So we've got 2 gas rings, 1 electric ring on the hob. We've got the combined grill and oven again, and then loads of storage, our little sink, and then round just behind me again, just the little things. When you go just up a little bit more money, go a little bit newer, we get that nice big fridge freezer. And then moving towards the back now, we've got a separate shower and toilet, proper separate shower and toilet. So nice big shower, and then on the side we've got a nice usable toilet area as well. Nice hand basin, a nice bit of storage in there as well. And then obviously for our main bed, we've got either 2 singles, or we can put this little piece in here at the minute that we've got in, and it makes more like a proper double bed then across. Loads of storage, absolutely loads of storage again. So obviously we've got the garage at the back, which we're going to have a look at in a minute, but either side we've got these nice little storage cupboards with loads of space. We've got a TV point on the side here as well. So this works really well. As I say, going up in the value, so 55,995, it is quite expensive again. But I think you can see, let me know in the comments, can you see the difference in the price, what you're actually getting for your money? So again, that big garage, and we've actually got 2 doors into our garage, which will make sense now. So obviously we've got our big garage, so loads of storage, but we've got another access door in from the back as well, so just a bit easy to get in and out. I think that is lovely. I think that works really well. So pop that up. Got a tow bar on there as well. We've got the reversing camera, as I've mentioned, and again it looks absolutely stunning. It's got those nice alloy wheels. Now going up very slightly, so this is the Elddis Majestic 196. It's the 2020, and have a look at that, 3,900 miles, so under 4,000 miles. Again, 3.5 tonne, a little bit bigger at 7.33 metres, just under £60,000. So very nice indeed. Again, we can put a bike rack onto the back of this one, it hasn't got one, and again we've got the reversing camera on there as well. So let's have a look inside and see what we get for our money. So coming in, we're sort of greeted at the rear with a nice big lounge, a nice, really roomy, usable kitchen area. Coming up to the back, we've got our lovely cupboards all the way around in the top there. Again, looking then down, you can see that extra bit of length in this one, a little bit bigger. On the side we've got our wardrobes. Again, we've got the freestanding table stored in there, our aerial, our solar panel controls on there. Got the side washroom, little roof light in the top there. We'll have a look in that washroom. So it's more of a combined shower and toilet. So we've got the shower curtain that goes around, and there's me in the mirror. So that will sort of, you're going to have to wipe the floor out at absolute minimum, obviously, once you've used that and had a shower. And then right up to the front here, we've got a lovely dining area, and you'll notice that we've got 2 sets of seat belts that side, 2 sets of seat belts this side, and obviously our 2 at the front. So this will make into a nice bed at the side here. Our seats at the front, this one will spin round to sort of entertain, etc. And then again we've got the newer Peugeot cabs. So again, we've got our reversing camera, we've got the nav and everything in the standard head unit, we've got the air conditioning, we're on the manual, and we've got the cruise control. I think the last three have all had cruise control as well. So 2 up the back, 2 up the front, so there's 4 berths, and then again we've got that drop down bed. So that comes down, hopefully doesn't crush everybody in the bed at the bottom, and then that is where our extra bed is for the 6 berths. So works really well for a larger family, or for 4 people and then you've got the option for 2 others to come away with you. Just makes it just that little bit more comfortable. And again, if you're using the top bed, if you're going to use it as a 2 berth, say, you've got lots of options. But again, it's nice having those proper 6 travelling seat belts. There's not many around that you see with proper 6 travelling seat belts, and again that makes into a nice bed at the bottom. Really easy on the back section where it just pulls out, and again that makes into a nice big double bed as well. So again, it's a good sized double bed. And then again, we've got that loads of work area in the kitchen. We've got the nice fridge, we've got the 3 gas and 1 electric rings, we've got the proper grill, we've got the proper oven. So more sort of what you're used to in the more luxurious stuff. We've got the microwave, and again just loads of storage space. So that's our 4 for today. So just a recap, we've got the little Autocruise stargazer, got the sunlight, we've then got the Chausson, and then we've got our lovely Peugeot on the Elddis Majestic 196. So which is it? Is it going to be the little 2 berth, the little really posh 2 berth, but it will sleep 4 people, an even posher 4 berth, or the 6 berth? Let me know. Notice that I finished the bit of cladding on the last bit of office as well, so that is all done. So we're getting there today, we're making progress. Let us know in the comments what you prefer. Make sure you've hit that subscribe button, drop us the comment, as I say, hit the thumbs up, and we'll see you next week. Thanks for watching on Mark at the Caravan Place.